After 18 months of waiting, No Time to Die premiered at the Royal Albert Hall in London on the last 28 September. In the film, Daniel Craig plays James Bond for the fifth and final time. With such an epic wait, the world premiere was a grand celebration. At the premiere, Craig was joined with his co-stars in attractive attire. The event, which took place at Royal Albert Hall in London, was attended by practically every major celebrity in the UK. It also attracted royal guests in the form of the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge and famous fans including tennis champion Emma Raducanu. Even though it rained heavily, the stars dazzled in their red carpet outfits. Here are all the looks from No Time to Die premiere. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video and see the best fashion looks of our favorite celebrities. In the newest Bond film, Léa Seydoux portrays a vital role. The actress wore a custom Louis Vuitton gown with a shimmering chiffon cape. Her custom-made silk cape gown was embroidered with silver threads and crystals. With chopper jewelry, her style was both elegant and charming, and she definitely stole the show with her look. On the eve of No Time to Die's premiere, the glamour was high. Lashana Lynch is the first black woman who plays a role in the James Bond movie. But Lashana Lynch's yellow Vivienne Westwood gown was among the most notable looks in attendance. She wore the gown to honor her Jamaican roots. Dr. Bird, a type of hummingbird, has been carved into the back of the dress. Usually, Westwood gowns give a lift to a figure when it is difficult to work with it. Her outfit was completed with Ara Vartanian and Sean Lean jewelry. Among the four screenwriters for No Time to Die, Phoebe WallerBridge was credited, so she joined the cast on the red carpet for the world premiere. The film screenwriter wore a shimmering black jumpsuit by Oliver Thayskins. She wore an embellished jumpsuit with a chic cream stunning coat from a Zara Fall 2021 Haute Couture, and she completed the look with Jessica McCormack's jewelry. During the world premiere of No Time to Die on Tuesday evening, Kate Middleton brought her one of the finest looks to the red carpet. On the red carpet, she wore a glittering gold cape gown designed by Jenny Packham that is embellished with jewels and beads all over. She completed her look for the evening with matching metallic pumps, a pair of gold circular rings, and a stylish updo. She was joined on the red carpet by her husband, Prince William, as well as Prince Charles and Camilla, Duchess of Cornwall. On Tuesday in London, Ana de Armas also made her debut as a Bond girl on the red carpet at the world premiere of No Time to Die. Anna kept her look simple for the occasion. From the Resort 2022 collection, she wore a black velvet dress embellished with crystals and silver pilots. This dress features a plunging neckline, a thigh-high slit, and two stylish sparkling chain link straps. With its flirty and fluid nature, this dress provides a sense of mystery to her style. In addition, she completed her look with custom Louis Vuitton sandals and chopper jewelry. Overall, these are the top fashion looks from No Time to Die. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share your thoughts with us.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share it with your friends if you found this video useful. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further updates.